Sa inyong lahat. Good evening, everyone. Mabuhay po. Congratulations para sa makasaysayang paglunsad ng Filipino Town. Congratulations for this historic launch of Filipino Town. I will imitate Sir Bernie's good example and speak briefly, but both in Filipino and in English. So all of us, Filipinos and Filipino-Americans, can be heart to heart and ear to ear during this wonderful program. So I said it's historic because it's all about Filipino identity wherever we are. Tayo sa mundo, doon sa Pilipinas o dito sa Amerika, alam na alam natin yung ating pagka-Pilipino. Whether we're in the Philippines or here in America, we just know that we are Filipinos together and what makes us Filipinos. Filipinos in the Philippines, Filipino-Americans, Filipinos anywhere else in the world. At siguro mayat-maya tayo mga Pilipino, namimiss natin ang Pilipinas. There's this shared homesickness. And again, this is why Filipino Town is such an historic achievement by you, our dear fellow Filipinos, Filipino-Americans, because this way you have created another and real home away from home. Kaya po makasaysayan ng paglunsad ninyo ng Filipino Town dahil ibig sabihin po, kahit namimiss natin ang Pilipinas, alam po natin na dito sa Amerika, sa piling ng ating mga minamahal na Filipino-American families, and in Filipino Town, it is as if we are also back home in the Philippines. And mabuhay for establishing Filipino Town because that is also a physical place where your children and grandchildren can get in touch with our history, our heritage, our values as Filipinos. Mabuhay sa pagtaguyod ng Filipino Town kung saan yung mga anak ninyo, mga apo, ay pwedeng umugat talaga sa ating pinagsasamahan pagka-Pilipino saan man tayo sa mundo. So muli, mabuhay. Once again, congratulations to each and every one here in our proud Filipino-American community for the launch of Filipino Town. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Mabuhay po.
Mabuhay po kayo.